Welcome to Successfully at Home, where home life matters. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can stay abreast to all the videos. Let's jump right on in. So we are starting at the website, successfullyathome.com. The position is coming from Easy Cater. It's called Senior Manager, Customer Service, Corporate Solutions. It's going to be a full-time position. And it says Easy Cater is the most trusted provider of corporate food solutions and is purpose-built for business. So let's just jump down here and see what you'll be doing. You will design and implement a best-in-class, scalable customer service model supporting their high-value accounts, co-own and drive improvements to policies, processes, and procedures, provide mentoring, leadership, and organization to managers and supervisors. You will oversee the creation and implementation of efficient and balanced workflows, as well as be the voice of the customer across Easy Cater. You will gain knowledge about the company's products, services to assist the customer service team to resolve any escalations, as well as partner with product and engineering to reduce friction. You will monitor and measure service metrics and volumes to develop standards, improvements, or changes to workflow and resource allocation, as well as focus on shifting from reactive to proactive solutions. You will develop team members through coaching, mentorships, and career pathing. You will proactively identify, manage, and/or escalate risk that may impact the business. So let's look at some requirements. You do need to have 5 years of experience in customer service management, leading customer service team in high growth B2B e-commerce or marketplace companies, experience leading remote or distributed teams. Let's look at just a few more: experience with project management, as well as complex problem solving, critical thinking, and decision making, comfort building cases and prioritizing needs for engineering team, proven experience thriving in ambiguity and change. So the pay range for this role, it says anywhere between $115,000 up to $181,000 per year. Again, this position is called Senior Manager, Customer Service, Corporate Solutions with Easy Cater. Thank you so much for taking a look at this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as share it. This position may not be for you, but it may be for someone you know. Again, this is Successfully at Home, where home life matters, and I will see you next time. Bye.